The Tesla Supercharging network has revolutionized electric vehicle travel, providing drivers with rapid and convenient charging solutions worldwide. Since its introduction on September 24, 2012, with 6 stations in California, the network has expanded significantly, boasting approximately 7,900 stations and over 75,000 connectors globally as of November 2025. The evolution of superchargers has been marked by continuous technological advancements. Early versions, V1 and V2, typically offered up to 150 kilowatts of power, capable of charging a Tesla from 0 to 80% in about 30 to 60 minutes. This laid the groundwork for the faster, more efficient charging experience we see today. The V3 Supercharger, launched in 2019, represented a significant leap forward. These stations deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power, with some operating at up to 1,000 V. This increase dramatically reduces charging times, allowing compatible Tesla vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y to gain up to 75 miles of range in just 5 minutes or charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 20 to 30 minutes under optimal conditions. The advantages of V3 superchargers extend beyond just speed. They feature dynamic power adjustment, meaning faster charging even when multiple vehicles are connected, as power is not shared between individual stalls in the same way as older versions. This optimized power distribution significantly improves throughput and the overall user experience. Moving forward, the V4 Supercharger cabinet marks the next generation. First deployed in September 2025, these new cabinets boast higher potential power output, capable of delivering up to 500 kilowatts for passenger vehicles and even 1.2 megawatts for the Tesla Semi. The V4 design supports vehicles with 400V to 1000V electrical architectures. Key differences in V4 include longer cables, designed for greater flexibility and to accommodate charging non-Tesla vehicles, and support for credit card payments at many locations. V4 cabinets can power up to 8 stalls, double the capacity of V3, and are designed for faster and more cost-effective deployment. While Model 3, Y, S, and X will continue to charge at up to 250 kilowatts, the V4 significantly improves charging speeds for the Cybertruck, which utilizes an 800V architecture, enabling it to charge up to 30% faster. Understanding how charging habits influence battery degradation is crucial for long-term battery health. While electric vehicle batteries naturally degrade over time, certain practices can accelerate or mitigate this process. Frequent deep discharges to a very low state of charge, or consistently charging to 100% and letting the vehicle sit, can stress the battery. The science behind lithium-ion battery degradation involves complex chemical processes. Repeated charging and discharging cycles, exposure to extreme temperatures, and high voltage states all contribute to the gradual reduction of a battery's ability to store and deliver energy. This leads to a decrease in overall capacity and driving range over time. Optimal charging strategies focus on minimizing these stressors. For daily use, it's generally recommended to keep your Tesla's charge limit set to around 80%. For vehicles with LFP batteries, charging to 100% occasionally, about once a week, is recommended to help calibrate the battery management system. The 80-20 rule is a widely cited guideline, suggesting that keeping your battery charged between 20% and 80% for routine driving helps preserve battery longevity. This range minimizes voltage stress on the battery cells. While charging to 100% is fine for long road trips, it's best to start driving soon after reaching full charge rather than letting it sit. The impact of frequent DC fast charging, like supercharging, on battery longevity has been a subject of much discussion. Older beliefs suggested it could accelerate degradation. However, a study of over 12,500 Tesla vehicles found no statistically significant difference in range degradation between cars that fast charge more than 90% of the time and those that fast charge less than 10% of the time. Tesla's advanced thermal management system plays a crucial role in mitigating heat issues during rapid charging, which is a primary concern for battery health. Still, some advice suggests limiting frequent supercharging and favoring home AC charging when possible. Tesla's Sophisticated Battery Management System, or BMS, is the brain behind battery health. It continuously monitors thousands of individual battery cells, managing voltage, current, and temperature in real time. The BMS actively balances cells, protects against overcharging and overheating, and optimizes charging algorithms to adapt to various conditions, ultimately extending battery life and improving efficiency. Real-world battery degradation data from Tesla owners and Tesla's own reports indicate impressive longevity. Tesla's 2023 impact report showed an average battery degradation of about 15% after 200,000 miles for Model 3 and Model Y long-range vehicles. Model S and Model X vehicles showed around 12% capacity loss at the same mileage a year prior. The steepest drop in battery health typically occurs early on, around 3 to 6% within the first year, as the BMS calibrates, after which degradation stabilizes at 1 to 2% per year. Most Tesla owners retain about 90% of their original capacity after several years and around 100,000 kilometers of driving. It's important to distinguish between myths and realities regarding battery health. While aggressive driving and extreme temperatures can affect range and overall battery health, Tesla's robust engineering and BMS minimize many perceived risks. The idea that frequent supercharging severely damages the battery has largely been debunked by recent studies, though avoiding charging to 100% and in extreme heat is still recommended. To maximize your Tesla's range and battery life, adopt a few key habits. Favor Level 2 home charging for daily needs. Maintain a charge level between 20% and 80% for most driving, reserving 100% only for long trips and drives soon after. Utilize scheduled charging and departure features to precondition the battery, especially in cold weather, and to optimize charging times. Avoid letting your vehicle sit near 0% or 100% for extended periods. Finally, smooth acceleration and regenerative braking also help reduce strain on the battery. By understanding the advancements in Tesla's supercharging network, from V3 to the emerging V4, and by adopting smart charging practices informed by battery science, owners can confidently manage their Tesla's long-term battery health. These habits not only preserve your vehicle's performance and range, but also contribute to a more sustainable electric driving experience.